Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox white iPhone 16. Apparently this color is not as popular. I was debating whether to get this or either teal or the aquamarine, the blue, but I decided to just go with white. I feel like after a while I'll probably get, kind of tired of that color. So just stick with the basic white. And I know some people like to put case, but I don't put case on my phone. So unbox this by pulling this tab. I know I am kind of late to the unboxing game, but I didn't want to get this phone like right away because it didn't have Apple Intelligence. Here it is. I like how the logo is very subtle, and this back is matte, which I like. I don't like this huge camera bump. I wish Apple would fix that, but for now we're stuck with it. There's the action button, volume up and down, this power button, and of course the camera control, which is new. So I am coming from iPhone 13 mini, so this is a big upgrade. I was holding out for the smaller phone. I like smaller phone. So I really like the form factor of the mini. Peel this up. I really like the form factor of the mini, but they got rid of the mini. So the battery on my iPhone mini, it just drains so quick now. I mean, it's that phone is about what, 3, 4 years old. So I just had to bite the bullet and get this one. I mean, I like the phone, but I don't know if I like the size of it. I wish they would come up with a better, smaller phone, or at least try to get the folding phone like a Samsung. But I think we'll have to wait another 2, 3 years before we get something like that. So anyway, there's that, and of course the cable, USB-C. Braided. I think it's only like a meter long, and simple instruction. No stickers. So that's it. I'm hoping they'll come up with a folding phone soon. So I really like the smaller form factor. So fingers crossed, I suppose. I think that's gonna I'll probably have to wait another 2, 3 years before that happens. But anyway, this was just a quick unboxing of the white iPhone 16, the regular iPhone 16. And I'm hoping to do a longer review of this phone after using it for a while. So stay tuned for that. As always, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. All right, take care.